Abbott's Plumbing, Baltimore's first name in plumbing for over 30 years. We specialize in prompt, on-time service and 100% customer satisfaction. Some of our services include drain cleaning, garbage disposals, sewer line repair and replacement, water pipe repair and replacement, hot water heaters, faucet fixtures and toilet repair and replacement, sump pumps, laundry tubs, and more. We are fully licensed and insured. Call us today at 410-536-5700 to schedule an appointment today. Thank you for choosing Abbott's Plumbing.